Got one. Woo! What's good, YouTube? Thank y'all for tuning in to Fisherman Josh. I am Fisherman Josh. Today I'm at the honey hole. It is super low. We about to see what we can pull in. I'll keep y'all tuned. So yeah, I'm back home now. I'm gonna miss the salt water, but hey, I always got my bass. If anybody's interested in the combo I'm using today, I got a 1000 stradic on a 6.6 medium light rod. It's rated for 1/16 to 3/8 lure, 4 to 10 pound line. Yeah, man, got this rod from Bass Pro, picked it up and been whacking the little fish with it ever since. It's so fun. It seemed like here lately I done went down in size when it comes to tackle. I'm usually with a 7-foot rod, 2500 reel or 3000 size reel. By the end of the day, my wrist is killing me, my hand hurts. So I've been fishing with the light tackle, not ultra light. It might as well be ultra light, but it's super light. And I could fish it all day long and not. Oh, I'm on one. Got him. Ooh. Nice fish. Let me not bust down here. Ooh, let's go. He hit it. He hit the TRD. Open your mouth, bro. There we go. I'll take him. How was he hooked? Put some slack in this. Get this line, get this hook out of him. Get him back in that water. There we go. Oh no, bro, I don't want to hook you again. There we go. Nice little guy. Let him go. Send him on his way. But yep, this is what our fish friend hit. Smoked him on it. Yes, sir. Let's get it back out there. But yeah, I forgot what I was saying. Caught that fish and mine just went straight blank. But yeah, you don't need heavy tackle to catch nice fish. You just gotta know what you're doing. The size line I have on here is, I think it's 10-pound braid, which whatever I hook into, it's not snapping that line. If the line breaks, it's because I tied a bad knot. Got one. I'm gonna ski him on in. Ooh, let's go. Nice little fish. Let's go. Nice too. That's what I like. Now I just gotta get this hook out of him and get him back. He hit that TRD. I'll pop this hook out. How is it in here? Yep, I'm gonna have to get the de-hooker because I can't get it out. But he a nice fish. Beautiful fish. Yeah, man, I missed my bass fishing when I was at the ocean. Bass fishing is my love. All right, I think I have my de-hooker. Yep, I always got more than one of everything, because 2 is 1 and 1 is none. I live by that. I'm so serious too. Let's see what that hook is. Oh yeah, that hook is in there good too. I hooked him good. I knew I was gonna drop him. These jokers are slippery. Come on, bro, chill out. Chill out, chill out, chill out. Chill out. Stay still, bro. There we go. All right, let me get this hook out of you. There we go. Let's get him back. He did one more jump and he was out of here. All right, let's get this back out there. See what we can pull in. One. Ooh, he felt like a nice one. Let's go. He a decent fish. Yes, sir. Stop spinning. Stop spinning. Hit him on the NLBN. Little paddle tail. Yes, sir. Let's get him back. Let's get him back. If I can get my words right. All right. I knew I felt a hit. I've been throwing that thing for a little bit, and I kept throwing it over the same spot, and kept feeling like thuds, like little thuds. And then I finally hooked into him. So let's get it back out there and try to get another one. Got one way out. He hit it on the drop. Spit it. It's all good. Let's try to get another one. What's good, y'all? So it's the next day. I was tired yesterday. I fished for a while and then I was like, man, I'm over it. I want to go home. So I'm gonna pick this video up from today and we're gonna see what we can get. The water is super low. It's pretty toasty today. We'll see if anything bites. If not, I'll move locations. Keep y'all posted. Got one. Woo! He feel like a good one too. Keep that line tight on him. I don't want to lose this fish. Woo! Nice fish. Heck yeah. Big baby. Dang, I missed it. Ooh, stuck myself. Yeah. Nice fish. Beautiful fish. Hit on the NLBN. Hit on that paddle tail. Let's let him go and let him grow. He out of here. Let's do it again. Got one. I don't know what it is. Oh, I think it's a crappie. Yep. Oh, crappie. Let's go. Heck yeah. Big crappie too. Yeah, nice one. Hit on the NLBN. Heck yeah. Ooh. I dropped him. Let's do this again. There we go. Look at him. That's a crappie. See if we can get another one. I've just realized something, that the color of your fishing line does not matter. They're gonna hit it regardless. I got this bright high vis yellow on here and I've caught a big bass and a big crappie. And I know they see it. You can't miss this line. But I guess all they are focused on is the lure. I've been fishing this NLBN paddle tail, just casting it and retrieving it. But yeah, if I hook into something, you know, I'll get y'all tuned back in. So I got this little 6.6 rod with a 1000 reel with I think it's like the smallest NLBN jig head with a 3-inch paddle tail, and I can cast this thing a mile. Yeah. It's crazy. It is crazy how far I can cast this thing. But yeah, man. Hopefully I hook into something. I done had 2 nice ones hit this paddle tail, but other than that, it's just they bumping it. I fell and peck it. That's why I'm still fishing it, because the fish are responding to it, but I just can't get nothing to grab it. I did have a little bite right here, but it didn't commit, so yeah, it's all good. If I hook into something, I'll tune y'all back in. That one. Nice little bass. He hit the NLBN. I switched it up, put a white one on. It's a 3.75-inch white paddle tail. But yeah, he hit it. That's crazy. I didn't think he was gonna hit this. I saw him chasing a bait fish. Ended up sight casting him. Little guy. Send him on his way. Let's do it again. Got one. He hit right here at the edge of the water. Nice fish. Oh no. And he gone. Quick release. It's all good. Hey, I counted. I touched his lip. But yeah, man, they hitting on this NLBN. This is the 3.7-inch paddle tail with like their smallest jig head. It might be one up from the smallest jig head they offer. I can't remember the size, but yeah, that's the presentation on this bright high vis yellow line. Obviously they don't care about the line color, so we're gonna get back to it. I've been casting this thing like at an angle, fan casting that side, just trying to pull something in. It's been kind of slow over the last like 20-30 minutes, but yeah, man, I'll take them when they bite. I know it's hot out here today, and when it's hot, bass are usually deep, so I'm getting lucky when I hit them up close. Last few fish I had to toss way out there to get them, and I can get my lure way out there. I hope y'all can see where it splashed. That's maybe 30-40 yards. This little setup can cast. I got 10-pound braid on a 1000 size Shimano Stradic on a 6.6 Bass Pro rod. It's a light fast, well, medium light fast rod. But yeah, I'm just reeling it, casting it out and reeling it in slow. Well, just, you know, trying to reel it in slow, but at the same time I need that tail to keep its action to draw them in. But yep, if I hook into something else, I'll keep y'all posted. Well, people, the bite has shut down and nothing is biting. I don't even see the fish chasing the bait fish. I'm about to call it for the day. I appreciate y'all tuning in to Fisherman Josh. Y'all have a great one. See y'all in the next one.